These examples show how a crank is used in different everyday objects. A crank is an adaptation of a Class 2 lever. The lever part is the crank arm. The pivot or turning point is connected to the crankshaft, and the effort needed to move the lever is at this end called the crank handle or connecting rod. When the crank arm is short, the crank will turn quickly, requiring more effort. When the crank arm is longer, less effort is used and it will turn slower. The input circular motion of a crank is called rotary motion. The output motion on a crank can also be rotary motion. When an egg beater handle is turned, it turns a gear wheel, which turns the whisks of the egg beater. The crank handle on a car jack turns a screw, which pulls together the side parts, lifting the car. Reciprocating motion input and reciprocating motion output. When the crankshaft is bent to look like another crank, then we can change the type of output motion. Notice that when the crank handle is turned, then the crankshaft crank also turns in a circular motion. In this model, the crank in the crankshaft has an attachment called a follower. Notice that when the crankshaft is turned in a rotary motion, then the follower moves back and forth. This is called reciprocating motion. The crank handle can provide the input force, or the wheel, which is a modified lever, can also provide the input force. By changing the input force to the follower, the opposite effect happens. The input force is a reciprocating motion, and the output force at the wheel and crank handle is rotary. This is how the car engine works. This is the crankshaft of a motor vehicle. The pistons are shown disconnected from the crankshaft. The pistons are the same as the follower in our model. The pistons provide the input force, which turns the cranks on the crankshaft, which turns the wheels of the vehicle. Cranks are found in many simple and complex machines. Cranks can work with rotary input and rotary output forces. They can also change rotary to reciprocating motion, as well as the other way around. This toy machine makes use of multiple cranks.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.